To enable and use Circle to Search in POCO X8 Pro, first of all, you will need to open Settings on your device. Next step is to navigate down, and then we want to find the home screen options. Now scroll all the way down and go for the system navigation, where inside you'll be able to find buttons, and then in press and hold home button, you can activate Circle to Search. Now to actually use it, you will need to click and hold this circle button, and this calls out a Circle to Search. And there's plenty of functions that you can use it for. First function is to just click on any image. It should take a screenshot of that image and perform Google image search using it. That way you'll be able to discover, for example, what plants are you looking on your screen, and etc. So you can use it however you like. Next function is to click on the text. That way you'll be able to select and copy a text on the screen, and there's also option to change the language, translate that language to your own. So it should detect the language for the text, and then you can choose a text that you have. So as you can see, it just translated entire screen. Lastly, we can click on this button right here, which allows us to listen to the song. If there's song playing, then or you can hum the song, then it will try to give you a title for it. And there's also Google search. Just click on it to perform the Google image search again, but with entire screen. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.